So, for today, may pupuntahan kami ng family ko. Oh, in-game siya, guys. Pero di ko pa alam saan kami pupunta, guys. Of course. Guys, nag-vlog kami. Sino yun? Hi, guys. Dito na po kami sa Marty Mall. And kakain muna kami sa... Kakain muna kami sa Kenny Rogers. Gusto ko mag-stay. Nandito na yung food namin. Next time, dala ka na lang ng pera mo, ha? Hi, guys. It's kami. Saving spree. Dito po kami sa Hello. Picture mo na kami. 75. Ay, gusto niya talaga yun. Lang, wala pa akong napipili. Pili pa tayo ng isa, guys. May magkakapareho tayo. Uy, 13! Masasabi mo? Dapat mag-bowling na lang tayo. Going on for the rest of the night. Tired of niggas not doing it right. May astigmatism na yung camera ko.
Oh, you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much talking on my line. I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? Cause you know that I ain't playing right now. Just want some.
Hi guys! So for today, aalis ulit ako kasi nila extension ako, papabago ako. So pupunta ako sa Blanca and Mom Mills. And then, later after this, baka punta kami ng Globe para ipakat yung plan ko. And then, mag-a-attend kami ng celebration. Anyway, before tayo mag-get ready, I wanna show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this Gats World Tour oversized from H&M. And then this skirt from Zara. Alam nyo ba, itong shirt na to? Nakita ko siya sa kids section ng H&M nung nagpunta kami ng Market Mall. So now, mag-get ready with me na tayo. Magko-concealer lang ako.
Darling,
guys, I'm done. I don't know. I'll be using this new brush on from Sunny's Face. And the shade Shadow. I think pinaka-nagustuhan ko. Here is the finished product. Here's the final look. Ganda ng blush. Yan, ganda-gandahan lang tayo, guys. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko. Hindi ko alam if magpipigtails ba ako or like yung ponytail lang.
Teacher said this tata. Skirt mo to? Hapo din na hap. Hi, Ate Case. Hi, Vlad. Where's Vlad?
Laka. Sleep it. You right?
What a smile. So nice.
Mommy, I'm not close the door. Mommy, I need my wife to not closing the door.
Ay, okay. Sorry.
through the highs and lows, we've had enough. Always with peace, holding on, wanting to see. After all gone, I wouldn't sell the road. If it falls out, don't for all it's worth. Through the storms, I'll be sheltered. Goodbye. Side by side, it all comes crashing down. I'll let go. Hold on tight. All night, in this world, so much to show. I won't give up without a fight.
Hey guys, it's the next day and yesterday nag-vlog ako pero hindi ko alam if maayos yung vlog. Pero kahapon pumunta ako sa Blanca & Mom Nails para magpapalit ng nail extension. Nagpapalit din ako ng shape ng nail extension ko and then yung design. And then after that, we're supposed to go to Globe para ipakat yung plan ng phone ko. Pero hindi siya nangyari kasi may pinuntahan kami. Pumunta kami sa Robinson. May binili kami doon. And then after that, we went home to change car kasi may inattendan kaming celebration ng relative namin. I think around 9 na yun natapos. So, wala na kaming time para pumunta sa Globe nun. Nagmerienda pa pala kami sa Burger King. Since wala nang time, ngayon na lang kami pupunta sa Globe. And nakapag-prepare na ako. Nag-film din ako sa TikTok ng Get Ready With Me. Pero hindi ko alam if ipopost ko siya. So, hindi ko pa naayos yung buhok ko. Aayusin ko pa lang. And then, may binili akong, ito yung Fitress Hair Freshener. Itatry ko siya. Sabi nila mabango daw. Kaya, I'll just see you guys later.
After all done, I wouldn't fight. After all done, I wouldn't sell the world. If it falls, I would want for all it's worth. Through the storms, I will be sheltered.
68 What?
Monday and Tuesday.
Tapos na. Vacation ko na.
Atin pa! Tapos na Lenny Hayden ko.
We'll conquer side by side. If it all comes crashing down, I won't let go. Hold on tight with all my might, 'cause in this world there's so much to show. I won't give up without